What if I told you there's a brand new AI model released just hours ago that beats Google Gemma 4, competes head to head with Claude Sonnet, and runs with the compute cost of a tiny 3 billion parameter model, and it's completely open source and free to use. I am not talking about some watered down demo. I am talking about a full-blown multimodal reasoning model that scores 51.5 on Terminal Bench 2.0, a hardcore agentic coding benchmark, while Gemma 4 31 billion only scores 42.9. This is Qwen 3.6-35B-A3B by Alibaba. It just dropped today and it's open source under Apache 2.0. And in this video, I am going to show you how to install Qwen 3.6. We'll check real performance test with it, so you can see how it's handle actual work. Let's go. Before we touch any code, let me explain why this model is special, because the architecture is the whole story. Most big AI models are what's called dense models. Every token you send activates the entire model. If it's a 35B model, you need compute for 35 billion parameters every single time. Qwen 3.6-35B-A3B uses a sparse mixture of expert architecture, or MOE. It has 35 billion total parameters, but at any given moment during inference, only 3 billion of those parameters are actually active. Think of it like this. Imagine a consulting firm with 35 specialists. Instead of asking all 35 people to answer each questions, a smart router sends each questions to the best 3 people for that specific task, and you get expert level answer at a fraction of the cost. And the result, you get the intelligence of a 35B model, but the speed and compute cost of a 3 billion model. That's the magic. Okay, now let's see how you can use Qwen 3.6 completely for free. Okay, so here you can see you will have several options. You can just use it with Qwen Studio without just set up anything. This is actually very immediate if you want to test it. Okay, then you will have Alibaba Cloud Model Studio API. So this is actually not available, but will available soon. And here, if you want to use it as a local model, you can go with Hugging Face and Model Scope. Okay, so let me try it Qwen Studio first, and you can just click this try Qwen Studio or click here. Then let me click there. At the beginning, what you will have to do, look, you will need to sign up this platform. If you have already an account, you can just log in to this platform. Let me log in. After login, here you can see you will have several model options. So Qwen 3.6 plus model, Qwen 3.5 plus model, so Omni plus model, and if you just expand more model, you can see Qwen 3.6-35B-A3B. So this is the specific model we're gonna use today and try to check if it's work or not. So after selecting this, here you have several options. You can upload your image, videos and audios. If you need to analyze a image or a video, then you can upload it and then you can just try to analyze it. If you need deep research, you can have options to do that. If you need to create image, then this is the option. To create video, this is the option. Okay, so here you will have slide option. Under this more tool, you will have web search, artifact, learn and travel planner, and here is the tool setting. Enable all tools, or if you want to disable for actually distraction, you can just disable all tools. Okay, so let's try to check it if how it's actually working. For example, I have some prompt here. For image creation prompt, I will use this prompt. Okay, so let me copy this prompt and now back here, and I will actually choose create image. Okay, so create image, then let me send. So it will actually try to create an image for me, and let me check. Okay, it's actually 3 green frog prawns side by side on Mount Everest, so something like this. Let me wait how it's actually give a image generation for me. Okay, so look, based on my descriptions, it's create fine image. Okay, and based on this image, you can create video. So let me click this create options, create video options. So create a video by using say video something like the frog, FROGs, frogs talking about weather. Okay, I just give something like this prompt, and if I hit this send, and let me see how it's actually generate video for you. If you want to use to create image, videos, documents, then if you have a need to code generation artifact, it can do. I will test it within a few seconds, so no worries. Just let me check if it's work with video generation. Okay, it's done. Let me open it and check how it's actually doing stuff. So it's actually creating videos, and I cannot understand what they are talking. Maybe I need to fix my prompt to get that, but for now actually I left it here. I will test it how actually it's performing. For example, I am using Claude, and here I give a prompt. So my prompt was actually something like this. So here's is a plan for your landing page. By giving this prompt, actually it's generate this website. You can see a very simple landing page for actually a educational platform, and it's actually built by Claude Sonnet 4.6. Okay, so by using this model, actually it generates this type of website for me. Okay, now we will use the same prompt and check if it's actually can do similar website. Okay, so I will try it on this. Okay, let me take a new chat, and here we will let me change the model. Okay, then we'll just click these options, then go to web dev, and under this here you will paste the prompt and then click send, and it will actually try to generate website. And I will try to understand if it's performed like Claude Opus 4.6 that's recently released and can able to create this type of similar website, or how it's actually work for. Okay, it's actually generating code for me. We will have to wait until it's completed. Here we will have a preview tab. It will available when the process is complete. Okay, we will have to wait for a few minutes until it's completed, and then we will show you how you can actually get output from this model. Okay, now it's completed. It's create this type of website. Let me increase it a little bit. So it uses something like this. Okay, much more similar, and somehow it's better. Okay, so you can say this is actually, you can just compare it with it, and I think almost similar output you can able to get by using this model. Okay, so you can see it almost similar actually output. Okay, so here you will have click this deploy button to just deploy it, and let me close it. I hope you understand how it actually give you output. But what if we want to use it on actually on your machine for a real projects? So let's do and try it. So for example, to use it, actually here you can see you can have to use Hugging Face or model scope, and if you go there you can see this is actually Qwen3.6-35B-A3B model, and for this actually you will have several options. You can use transformer, Google Colb, and Kaggle, but this will actually not support because it's a huge parameter. If you just check this file and version, then look, it's actually almost or 72 GB. Okay, so if you just download this model on your normal PC or on your budget laptop, then it will actually hang your laptop or hang your PC. Okay, so that's why you cannot try to download or try to use locally on your machine. Okay, so we will skip this part. Next thing is that there is another options. Here you can go with model scope, and if you check the files and versions, then it's almost a similar thing. Okay, so here you will have actually get it download your model, and it's almost the same GB. Okay, so that's why you can have to ignore these options also. So two option has gone. Third option is actually Alibaba Cloud model Studio. You can just start with free. Almost you can just get it for some free trial, so we don't go that. and we will have actually Ollama. And here on this Ollama platform, you'll see Qwen 3.6 is available, and if you go inside it, you'll see you can use it directly on your machine using Claude Code Codex, OpenCode and OpenClaw if you want to use it. And if you scroll a little bit here, you will have two versions available. You can see it's actually 33.6 latest version and 30 billion B. Okay, so this two version is available right now for you, and if you want to try it, you can just try it with it. It's almost 24 GB the download versions. Okay, so you can try with this model.